Hey guys, if you're at the title, you know what's about to go down. If you can't read though, I'm doing a hearing test. Basically, I wanted to do this because I feel like throughout the entirety of my existence, I have hated loud noises, so I'd avoid them at all costs, especially fireworks.
This is probably why I don't like Katy Perry.
I was triggered as a child. There's some sort of trauma there. Don't know where to pinpoint it, but I literally cannot watch fireworks because they're just too loud for me and I get anxiety. I will be a grown-ass adult. If I'm taken to watch fireworks, I will have my hands over my ears and I may look dumb, but my ears will thank me later. I keep telling myself that too. I feel like a lot of kids these days listen to their music too loud. I'm not talking about my brother. And so there are also sometimes like situations I can't really avoid, like being in the car with my brother driving because he blasts his music so loud that you can hear it from like a mile down the road with all the doors closed. So I'm trying to see like how much my ears have disintegrated. Maybe they're geriatric. Maybe they're geriatric and I have done a bad job, even though I try to avoid listening to music loud as much as possible because I hate loud noises. Also, you know, in college when you're at parties and they blast music, or you're at the club, which I had my fair share of, I guess, at school, but your girl doesn't really drink or party, and I never really enjoyed that, but, you know, college is college. That's in the past, baby. Thank the Lord for my mental health and my eardrums. So let's get started. So the first video that I'm gonna be doing is ASAP Science because we all grew up with them in our youth, in our childhood, and I feel like they know what they're talking about. I'm kind of low-key scared. I feel like I've done a decent job, but you know, with all the scenarios I've been in and my loud-ass family, doesn't really help the situation. So let's begin.
As we grow older, we often lose the extreme ends of our hearing spectrum. So, how many of the following sounds can you hear? How old are your ears? If you can hear 8,000 hertz, you're both alive
Yes,
and not
I'm
hearing
alive!
impaired. But let's keep raising the frequency.
Okay, I can hear this. It's under 50, that's good. Alright, it's under 40, that's good. I'm not geriatric, y'all. Or under 30, I got this. See, my ears are pretty good. Alright, under 24, I couldn't hear. So, that means my hearing,
How high could you hear?
basically my hearing, according to ASAP Science, is between 25 to 30 years old. I'm currently 23, so it's slightly older than I am, but at least it's not geriatric. I feel like, in comparison to most people, that's actually pretty good. There's another one that I found. I'm gonna try for comparison. I love his username on YouTube. His username is Joe N Tell. Iconic. So let's see what he has to say and let's do his test, and I want to see if I get the same result.
How's it going? This is Joe and Tell, and today we're going to try to find out how old your hearing is. I'm Joe, and I review speakers and audio equipment in all different price ranges here on YouTube, and I rely heavily on my ears, but one thing I do is I do a lot of measurements, and that's because I can't trust my ears 100%, and neither should you. The reason I say that is because as we age, our ability to hear high frequencies...
Alright, I need to find out where I can start hearing the high frequencies.
Try to figure out how old your hearing is.
Headphones.
I'm going to be running some frequency sweeps from high to low, and what you're going to try to find out is where you can start hearing the high frequencies.
Alright, I could hear it when it was at like 21, so him is under. So, by definitive science, my hearing is where it's supposed to be for my age. So, in conclusion, my hearing isn't geriatric, which is positive, but now my ears are ringing. and they won't stop. And I'm a little concerned now. I mean, the hearing test itself might have impaired my hearing more, so maybe I'm on the way to geriatric ears. But for now, I feel like I'm pretty proud of myself. I'm pretty much where I should be in terms of hearing. So, this is a message to all you loud listeners of music out there. You pimps in your car blasting your music at 160 decibels, blazing down the street. Don't do it. Your ears will thank you later. Anyway, protect your eardrums, kiddos. Use earplugs at concerts. I am that person, okay? I am that person. And you would think that my ears would be younger, but no, I was bewitched. I mean, not really. I feel like I just did a good job. I'm proud of myself. Stay safe, children. Be good people. Do amazing things. And hopefully I'll see you next time. Bye, guys. My ears are not geriatric. Someone's running water upstairs, and they can't even do my outro because it won't stop. It won't stop. It won't stop. Alright, I give up. I'm just gonna talk over this water.